What does astrology talk about rebirth?
Astrology begins from rebirth only. As I've said, deeds in the past birth. And that is the reason somebody is this or that, जिसका कभी struggle ही खत्म नहीं हो रहा है. You're born in an affluent family with a silver spoon, everything is on your platter. And there are people who begin their journey with a lot of struggle, So this is what karma is.
किस तरह से आपने discover किया that you wanted to study astrology and then make a career in it?
I am not a firm believer of planning things in life. Though that's my profession, and it is an unprofessional statement, the first statement itself, because I believe
Direct contradiction.
absolutely. So I believe in destiny, and I always say the destination of life is already destined from the day one to the last day, and it cannot be changed. तो जिंदगी की कहानी जब पहले से लिखी जा चुकी है, तो आप सोच क्या रहे हैं?
तो फिर हमारे हाथ में क्या है?
Absolutely. So there is an answer. So when things are pre-written, pre-scripted, predefined, predestined, then what are you doing? So when we talk about destiny, destiny itself says, how do you spell destiny? DES?
TINY.
TINY. So there is a tiny word attached with destiny, which itself says that a person or has a ability to influence his destiny. How? So there is a term which is known as free will. So who you are, like when you're born, you have no clue which city, village, or hut, or maybe a villa or a palace where you're born. You have no clue, and you can't even choose that. मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि आपको बिल्कुल नहीं पता है कि आप बच्चन बनेंगे, गांधी बनेंगे, अंबानी बनेंगे, मोदी बनेंगे, या कहीं के नहीं रहेंगे. तो यू हैव नो आइडिया एक्चुअली. सो who is influencing you, to born in a affluent family, like they say, born with a silver spoon, or your struggle begins. Now a lot of memes, you see on the internet, they say, छोटा सा बच्चा है, वो थोड़ा सा grumpy है, तो नीचे मीम में लिखे आ रहा है कि ओ मैं फिर से एक गरीब परिवार में पैदा हो गया. तो वैसे तो जोक है, लेकिन व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज प्रारब्ध की कहानी अलग है. ये वाली स्टोरी, एक शक्ल आपकी एक जैसी है, लेकिन आपकी डेस्टिनी अलग है. सो द डेस्टिनेशन ऑफ लाइफ इज ऑलरेडी डेस्टिन्ड. तो यू कांट चूज योर पेरेंट. आपको लगता है कि कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं, मैंने तो भाग के शादी की थी. तो जिसके साथ आपको भागना था, उसी के साथ आप भागे, उसी के साथ आपने शादी की. शाहरुख खान की मूवी थी कि रब ने बना दी जोड़ी. तो मैरिजेस आर मेड इन हेवन, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दे आर ब्रोकन ऑन अर्थ. So things are changing with time. A lot of things are going haywire. People tend to take a wrong decision also. But I always say, right way to live your life is go with the flow. And I'm a poet, now people invite me more for my poetry than astrology. Again, unprofessional. So, who becomes a poet actually? Astrology makes a person philosophical. And when you understand human psychology, human behavior, which is the most difficult thing to understand. Sometimes if you're married for 20 years, you say, मैं तुम्हें 20 साल से भी पहचान नहीं पाई. So how? An astrologer, in 20 seconds, he will tell you exactly who you are, your mindset, your strength, your weakness, your potential, your weaknesses, everything, and your time. So it is something which is a great guiding tool. So to know a person inside out is a great science. And astrology, I believe astrologer can be your friend for life. So for me, you have asked me about my journey. As I've said, I always go with the flow. And yeah, I was talking about my poetry. So I wrote it once कि जिंदगी तो महज एक दरिया है, जिंदगी तो महज एक दरिया है, बहते चलो, बस यही एक जरिया है. तो ऑलवेज कीप मूविंग, गोइंग विद द फ्लो इज द राइट आइडिया. और अब क्या बताऊं किधर खो गया हूं मैं, अब क्या बताऊं किधर खो गया हूं मैं, जिधर चला कारवां उधर का हो गया हूं मैं.